Hi, Tyler here with Quality Water Treatment. We wanted to quickly talk about the chloramine that is found in your drinking water. What chloramine is, what are the benefits of chloramine, and what are the negative effects of chloramine use. So, what is chloramine? Chloramine is the chemical disinfectant produced by the reaction between ammonia and free chlorine. An upward trend in the US is for water utility companies that were solely using chlorine to switch to chloramine as a disinfectant. The primary reason to switch to chloramine is because chloramine is a more stable chemical compound than traditional chlorine. When drinking water is being carried through the water distribution infrastructure from the water treatment facility to your home, chloramine will not dissipate or burn out as quickly before it gets to your home. The benefit of chloramine is that it is more effective to prevent waterborne diseases versus chlorine because chlorine can burn out before it gets to your home in some circumstances. Chloramine is very difficult to burn out, but also difficult to remove. So this is the reason why many of the water utility companies are switching from chlorine to chloramine. The bad news is that chloramine also has the same negative health issues as chlorine, but it also adds a few more negative issues for you and your health. Chloramine is very irritating to your skin and your eyes. You may find after taking a shower your eyes are burning, red, and itchy. Your skin may be itchy, and your nasal passage and mucous membranes may be irritated to cause sinus problems that you didn't even have before. Chloramine also has a harsh, metallic, tangy chemical taste and odor to it, more so than chlorine. It is also highly toxic to aquatic animals and plants. Never use water with chloramine for fish tanks and ponds. It's deadly to fish. As more studies come out about the negative issues of chloramine, it becomes even more alarming. Since it's ammonia-based, chloramine is corrosive to your household plumbing. Metal pipes, solder fixtures, rubber O-rings, and hot water heaters. Any metal or rubber that chloramine touches will be attacked and it will disintegrate. So, over time, you will start seeing pinhole-sized leaks in your pipes and gaskets. Water damage obviously is very costly to you as a homeowner. So, it's not only very important to remove chloramines from the water for you and your family's health reasons, but you'll also protect the plumbing in your home. Using proper water filtration can safeguard you from the negative effects of chloramine. Not all filters can remove chloramine. As we like to say, buy a filter or be a filter. For more information, visit us at qualitywatertreatment.com or talk with our team members.